Hey, it's Cyberpower. Today we're answering a classic cybersecurity question, TryHackMe versus Hack the Box. Which one actually makes you a better hacker? Both are top platforms for learning hacking, but they take very different approaches. TryHackMe is structured and beginner-friendly. Hack the Box is all about real-world challenges and competition. In this video, I'll break down their features, learning styles, and what you can expect from each. Ready to find out which platform fits your goals? Let's dive in. Let's start with TryHackMe. This platform is all about guided learning, perfect if you're new or want structure. You get curated learning paths, each broken into rooms with hands-on labs and quizzes. Everything runs in your browser, so no setup headaches. The mix of theory and practice, plus hints and achievements, keeps you motivated and learning at your own pace. Certifications like Junior Penetration Tester and SOC Level 1 help you prove your skills. If you want a supportive, step-by-step approach to hacking, TryHackMe is your best bet. Now, let's talk Hack the Box. HTB. HTB is the hacker's arena. You get vulnerable machines, minimal guidance, and it's up to you to break in. Challenges range from easy to insane, simulating real-world scenarios. The community creates new machines, so there's always something fresh. Points, ranks, and global leaderboards fuel the competition. HTB's certification, the CPTS, is hands-on and industry-recognized. If you thrive on challenge and want to test yourself against the best, HTB is for you. When it comes to learning cybersecurity online, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right learning style for you. The biggest difference between platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box? It all comes down to how you learn best and what kind of experience you're looking for. TryHackMe is designed to guide you step by step through each topic, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to build a solid foundation in cybersecurity. The platform breaks down complex concepts into manageable lessons, and each module builds on the last, so you're never left wondering what to do next. As you progress, you'll receive instant feedback and helpful hints whenever you get stuck. This supportive environment helps you stay motivated and confident, especially if you're new to cybersecurity or prefer a more structured approach to learning. On the other hand, Hack the Box takes a very different approach. Instead of guiding you through each step, HTB drops you straight into open-ended challenges. There's no hand-holding here, just you, your skills, and the problem in front of you. It's up to you to figure out where to start, what tools to use, and how to solve each challenge. This can be frustrating at first, especially if you're used to more guidance. But over time, you'll develop critical skills like researching, troubleshooting, and thinking creatively, just like a real attacker would. The sense of accomplishment you get from solving a tough challenge on your own is incredibly rewarding. If you're someone who likes to learn in a structured way, review concepts, and track your progress, TryHackMe is an excellent choice. Its guided paths and clear objectives make it easy to see how far you've come and what you need to work on next. But if you crave real-world problem-solving, enjoy exploring on your own, and want to test your skills against advanced realistic scenarios, Hack the Box is where you'll thrive. It's all about discovery, experimentation, and pushing your limits. Ultimately, your choice depends on your personal learning style. Do you want a clear roadmap with plenty of support? Or are you looking for the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of solving problems on your own? Both approaches have their strengths, and the best path is the one that keeps you engaged and motivated. Now that you understand the key differences in learning style, let's dive deeper and compare the depth and variety of content each platform offers, so you can find the best fit for your cybersecurity journey. When it comes to learning cybersecurity online, the sheer amount of content available can be overwhelming. Both TryHackMe and Hack the Box are leading platforms, but they each take a unique approach to teaching. Content-wise, both platforms deliver a wealth of knowledge, but with different focuses and learning philosophies. So, how much can you really learn from each, and which one is right for you? TryHackMe is designed to be accessible for absolute beginners, but it doesn't stop there. It covers everything from the basics of web hacking and networking to more advanced topics like cryptography, blue team operations, and even digital forensics. The platform is constantly updated with new rooms and challenges, ensuring that learners always have fresh material to explore. Its structured learning paths guide you step by step, starting from zero knowledge and gradually building up to advanced concepts. Each path is packed with practical labs, quizzes, and real-world scenarios, so you're not just reading theory, you're actually applying what you learn. This hands-on approach helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for real cybersecurity challenges. On the other hand, Hack the Box is renowned for its focus on offensive security. If you're interested in penetration testing, exploitation, and red teaming, HTB is where you'll find some of the most challenging and realistic labs out there. The platform is designed to push your skills to the limit, often requiring creative problem-solving and deep technical knowledge. The machines on Hack the Box are crafted to mimic real-world environments, often incorporating vulnerabilities and exploits that have been seen in the wild. This means you're not just practicing in a vacuum. You're preparing for the kinds of scenarios you'll face in the field. Many labs are based on recent security incidents, keeping your skills sharp and up to date. For those looking to simulate full-scale penetration tests, Hack the Box offers pro labs and endgame scenarios. These are designed to replicate the complexity and pressure of real-world engagements, requiring you to chain together multiple exploits and think like a true adversary. It's as close as you can get to a real pen test without being on the job. In summary, TryHackMe shines when it comes to blue team and defensive topics, offering a broad and accessible curriculum. Hack the Box, meanwhile, goes deep on offensive security, making it ideal for those who want to specialize in hacking and red teaming. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your learning goals. If you want broad coverage and a gentle introduction to cybersecurity, TryHackMe is a fantastic starting point. If you're ready to specialize and tackle advanced hacking challenges, Hack the Box will push you further. No matter which you choose, both platforms offer a path to real practical skills in cybersecurity. Community matters a lot. TryHackMe's Discord and forums are welcoming, especially for beginners. Hints and support are always available. Hack the Box's community is competitive and global, with detailed write-ups and active discussions. Both host regular CTFs and events to test your skills and meet others. HTB's write-up culture is legendary for learning new techniques. TryHackMe offers more onboarding support. HTB expects more self-sufficiency. Both have responsive support teams and active moderators. Whether you want a nurturing vibe or a competitive edge, you'll find your place. Let's talk pricing and accessibility. TryHackMe's free tier gives you tons of content. Premium unlocks everything for a low price. HTB's free tier is more limited, but VIP unlocks advanced labs and retired machines at a higher cost. TryHackMe runs entirely in your browser, no setup needed. HTB requires VPN access and your own tools, offering a more realistic environment but a steeper learning curve. Both offer student discounts and group plans. Beginners will find TryHackMe more accessible and budget-friendly. HTB is an investment in depth and realism. So, which platform should you choose to kickstart or elevate your cybersecurity journey? The answer isn't as simple as picking one over the other. It really depends on your current skill level, your learning style, and your long-term goals in the world of cybersecurity. Let's break it down so you can make the most informed decision possible. If you're just starting out, or if you prefer a more guided, step-by-step approach to learning, TryHackMe is an excellent launchpad. Its beginner-friendly interface, structured learning paths, and interactive tutorials make it perfect for those who want to build a solid foundation. TryHackMe also offers a wide range of blue team content, so if you're interested in defensive security, incident response, or understanding how to protect systems, you'll find plenty of resources here. The platform's gamified experience keeps you motivated, and the community is welcoming to newcomers. On the other hand, if you're someone who thrives on challenge, enjoys solving complex puzzles, and wants to dive deep into the world of offensive security, Hack the Box is your arena. HTB is known for its realistic, hands-on labs that simulate real-world penetration testing scenarios. It's a fantastic choice for those who want to specialize in ethical hacking, red teaming, or preparing for advanced certifications like OSCP. The platform's difficulty curve is steeper, but the sense of accomplishment is unmatched. In fact, many learners start their journey with TryHackMe to build up their confidence and foundational skills, then transition to Hack the Box when they're ready for more advanced real-world challenges. This progression allows you to gradually move from beginner to expert, ensuring you're never overwhelmed but always growing. The truth is, both platforms complement each other beautifully. By using both, you can cover the full spectrum of cybersecurity skills, from learning the basics and defensive strategies on TryHackMe to mastering offensive techniques and advanced hacking on Hack the Box. Combining the strengths of both platforms gives you a well-rounded skill set that's highly valued in the industry. No matter which path you choose, the most important thing is to stay motivated, keep challenging yourself, and never stop learning. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field, and your curiosity and dedication will be your greatest assets. Remember, it's not just about solving challenges, it's about enjoying the process and growing every day. So, what will it be for you? Will you start in the guided playground of TryHackMe, or jump straight into the hacker's arena of Hack the Box? Or maybe you'll blend both to create your own unique learning adventure. The choice is yours, and there's no wrong answer, just the path that fits you best. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Let me know in the comments which platform you're choosing, or if you have any questions about getting started. Your journey in cybersecurity starts now. Good luck, and have fun.